In this video, you will learn how to create a Zedge seller account in the USA. First, visit the Zedge website. Open your web browser and search Zedge website. Sign up or log in. If you do not have a Zedge account, you will need to sign up by clicking on the sign up button. If you usually have an account, click login and enter your credentials. Go to the seller portal. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and find Become a Seller. This is linked for creators. Search for Zedge seller in the help section. Complete the seller registration. You'll be redirected to the Zedge seller portal. You will need to fill in details such as your email, payment information, and display name. To receive payments, make sure to provide accurate information and ensure a smooth transaction. Upload your content. After registering, you can start uploading your content such as wallpapers and ringtones to sell on Zedge. Make sure to upload the Meet Zedge content guide. Wait for approval. Zedge will review your uploads. If you comply with their standard, your content will go live and you can start earning money today. Track your earnings. Once your content is available for download, you can track your earnings through the seller dashboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.